What is up, guys? Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. You ever are making, videos for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, and you realized when you uploaded the video, it was cropped a little weird, and like the most visual point of interest was covered up by the description of the video? That's why I created these. These are our social overlays from our entire cinematic overlay pack. And the point of these is to be able to crop your footage so it actually looks visually interesting inside of the social media platforms. As we can see, there's the heart, the comments, the share button for Instagram. Here's the YouTube Shorts, what it looks like. And here is TikTok for what it looks like. So once you've downloaded this pack, and if you are interested, just type pack into the comments and I'll send it to you. Super easy. Here's the 3 in the pack. Drag it onto our timeline, highlight them all, do fit to frame. I did oversize these quite a bit. They are more than double what a 1080p composition is because I wanted them to fit perfectly. Also, you'll most likely get a 1080p version of this so you can just drag and drop and have no issues. So from now on, instead of guessing, you can just grab this pack, throw it on your footage, and know that it always looks good under the microscope. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out filmit.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.